everyone, this is Shantam. I visited Dental Perfection a month ago. I was dealing with a lot of pain on the right side of my cheek, in my throat, and other areas like behind my ear. So I visited and consulted a lot of doctors in my own area. They were ENT specialists. Few of them were like dental specialists as well. So I did sonography of my throat, everything I did, but the issue which actually came up was no one was able to identify what was actually happening, like what is the root cause of this pain. So one of the doctors in my city suggested that he could have a TMJ pain and he should consult a good dentist. So I came to Indore, I did some Google search, and I got to know with the help of the reviews that this particular clinic can be helpful for me. So I visited Dr. Jatin Agrawal, sir, for the treatment. He basically did a lot of like the first time inspection, basically what I did, like what is the actual problem. So he came to a conclusion that there could be a TMJ pain which is causing the issue for the pain which I'm having as of now. So after all the investigation and everything, what he suggested was I should use splint to get this particular area of the pain resolved. So later on, I was a bit doubtful, to be very honest, whether I should use this or not. But this was something which came up to me, and I was okay with that. I was okay with the treatment and everything, so I said a yes. And then a doctor took a good scan with the help of his useful machines and everything. The scan did a good job, and with the help of that scan, we got a 3D printed splint, which doctor later on fitted in my mouth. It actually fitted pretty well, but there have to be some adjustment, which doctor did pretty nicely, and it helped, and it fitted in my mouth pretty perfectly. Later on, I started using it every night as suggested by Dr. Jatin Agrawal. I used it for at least a month, and then I came today for the actual feedback, or I could say a regular checkup thing. And I can tell you guys, this particular treatment is fair enough, and this is something which everyone can take care of, or they can use it to get rid of this particular pain which we face here. And this is a pretty normal thing for everyone. This particular TMJ joint is a problem which every youth or any old age people is dealing with, because no one actually think of this particular thing, because this is something not common people is aware of. But this TMJ pain is a pretty harsh thing, and it could affect our day-to-day life. So after using this splint, it helped me to get my life on a better track. And yes, I'm going to continue this treatment for a month again to get the thing sorted permanently. Thank you once again, Dental Perfection. Thank you, Dr. Jatin Agrawal, for this wonderful treatment. I really suggest everyone to get this treatment done. If someone is suggesting you, very helpful. It will help you reduce your pain. Thanks, everyone.